Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and use virtual backgrounds in the latest Zoom app versions. So in the latest Zoom app, there are some changes made, including the one where you can find virtual backgrounds and use it for your meetings. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the virtual backgrounds on the latest Zoom applications. Here I'm using Android. So let's just launch the Zoom app. Okay, before we begin, I'm going to tell you that the virtual background feature will allow you to display an image or maybe video as your background during a Zoom meeting. It will provide you with more privacy or consistent and professional look for a presentation. You can also use the virtual background to hide your ugly backgrounds. So in here, let's just start by click on this new meeting. So I'm going to show you the example how you can find the virtual background. Let's start a meeting in here.